Hi guys, we're at Botany Bay level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Golden and Joe. Joe's on the other side.
Have you got it? Can you get on this page now?
There we go. Now.
I was 16, 38, 1 Delta 19 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Nottinghamshire Cross to Leeds, and I was 16, 38, 1 Alpha 95 Hull train service from Hull to Nottinghamshire Cross.
Okay.
Oh, SBS rail system's on the top of the this time, look.
Did you get the yellow light this time?
SBS rail system sticker on the barrier.
Hang on, there's something over there.
Here.
There's something on here. SPX rail systems. Joe, did you get the amber light?
Yes.
Good. I got it from this LED. This young fellow over there. There's the lights. Googly eyes. Joe, I wonder which way each of these trains are going.
Pardon?
Which way of each of these trains are going? I think one's going that way and one's going the other.
They're both coming the same way.
Right. It's like all two of them going the same way. That was the LED that I started recording on the first video. It's this handsome fella right here. Flies. Right, let's see which one will come first. Where is she? I can see her. Joe, I don't know if I can see her.
There. Right there.
Oh, I see her now. I see its headlamp. There she is. We've got... I don't know what this is. First hole. First hole trains and we're staying. Joe, what was the number?
181.13.
181.13 to where?
Nottinghamshire Cross.
To London King's Cross, and we're staying. Oh, those googly eyes again. So we're staying for a Virgin train. Probably to London King's Cross as well. Now let me show you the far back shot. Now here's the far back shot.
Can you go out of the way?
No, it's alright. Here's the far back shot.
Yeah? Keep out of the way then, yeah? Keep to the grass a bit.
Now, got a Virgin train. And she may be coming from that way. As Joe just said, we're both coming the same way. Now, see where she is. Oh, she's coming the other way this time. Here she is. It's 82 and 91.
Yeah, 91 and 82.
91 112! 91 112 to 82! And up they go. What was the 91? The 82, sorry. 82 112 to Leeds, and thank you guys for watching that video.